What are you doing to support your customers and potential customers?
Well, our work is never done, no matter pandemic, downturn, recession, etc. We have and will continue to endure all of these things. Not only have our spares, service and maintenance teams remained completely operational throughout, but we've also adjusted our process to allow virtual service appointments and remote installations and commissionings. Being part of a larger group, which includes 40 global manufacturing sites, sister companies, means that we can provide a seamless service to our customers by skilled staff in their own countries, in their own language. Supply chains have not been disrupted too much due to the collaborative nature of the larger group.
So what has been the focus of the R&D development?
Okay, so the R&D has continued throughout. All the teams have been working across the brands and the product lines. We've developed and will be launching a suite of new power supplies for radii, reinforcing the technology. The Banyard LFI Smart System, aluminium heaters, recently had 2 installations and they'll be continuing. Thermator, we've been looking onto the control side. As the company gets better to weld new advanced steels, we're looking at the technology and the flexibility of that product.